Bullish QNT cost expectation for 2022 is $149.80 to $216.10. The QNT cost will likewise reach $250 soon. Bearish QNT cost expectation for 2022 is $48.80. In Quant, QNT, cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, Revel, and other data about QNT to examine the future development of the digital money. Quant, QNT, current market status. The cost of Quant, QNT, is $103.91 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $48,090,421 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, QNT has expanded to 5.5% as of now. Besides, Quant, QNT, has a flowing inventory of 13,413,953 QNT. Presently, QNT exchanges digital money trades like Binance, ZB.com, KuCoin, Coinbase, Pionex, BKEX, Crypto.com, Bitrue, Kraken, Gate.io, and Bybit. What is Quant, QNT? Quant, QNT, is the local crypto badge of the Quant organization. QNT was sent off as an ERC20 token in 2018. Quant organization is an ethereum-based disseminated record innovation, DLT, working framework, operating system. It presents general interoperability by means of its overledger organization and multi-chain savvy contracts. Remarkably, overledger organization is the interesting element of the Quant organization. It fills in as a blockchain-based programming interface passage that works with the creation and execution of decentralized multi-chain applications, dApps. The innovation went live on Quant organization in September 2021. The overledger interfaces different private blockchains to public blockchains like Ethereum, Polkadot, and Polygon. It centers around upgrading the security and interoperability between a few blockchains. Quant, QNT, is conveyed in three essential use cases. It is utilized as an installment expense to get to administrations on the Quant organization. It is sent as an installment token by its depository framework to credit its entryway administrators. Quant, QNT, value expectation 2022. The above graph of Quant, QNT, spread on a plummeting channel design, otherwise called the falling channel. A dropping channel is shaped by two equal trend lines. The upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is the trait of a negative market. Presently, Quant, QNT, is at $103.10. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of QNT could arrive at the opposition level of $108.40. and $130.50. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of QNT might tumble to $98.20, and $86.20. Besides, the graphs show that Quant, QNT, has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, Quant could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its obstruction level at $216.10. As needs be, on the off chance that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Quant, QNT, could plunge to nearly $48.80, a negative sign. Quant, QNT, value forecast 2022, Revel, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of Quant, QNT, is displayed in the diagram beneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. At present, the Revel of Quant lies over the end line, areas of strength for showing in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal, MAMA, of Quant, QNT, is displayed in the above graph. Quite, the QNT cost lies under 50 MAMA, present moment, so it is totally in a descending pattern. Right now, QNT is in a negative state. There is plausible of an inversion pattern of QNT whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength file, RSI, of the QNT is at a degree of 53.23. This implies that QNT is neither in an oversold nor overbought state. In any case, this gives certainty to the merchants to exchange with practically no apprehension. Quant, QNT, Value Forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to look normal directional file, ADX, of Quant, QNT. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of Quant, QNT. Presently, QNT lies in the scope of 13, showing a powerless pattern. From the above graph, the overall unpredictability file, RVI, of Quant, QNT. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of QNT lies under 50, showing low instability. Truth be told, QNT's RSI is at 53.23, subsequently affirming a potential purchase signal. From the above outline, it tends to be deciphered that QNT moves in a comparative pattern as for BTC and ETH. At the point when the cost of BTC and ETH increment, the cost of QNT increments. At the point when the cost of BTC and ETH decline, the cost of QNT diminishes. Quant, QNT, Value Forecast 2023. Assuming that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Quant, QNT, could most likely achieve $350 by 2023. Quant, QNT, Value Forecast 2024. With a few updates in the organization, Quant, QNT, could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, QNT could revitalize to hit $600 by 2024. Quant, QNT, Value Expectation 2025. If Quant, QNT, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, then, at that point, QNT would energize to hit $770. Quant, QNT, Value Forecast 2026. If Quant, QNT, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, then, at that point, QNT would mobilize to hit $950. Quant, QNT, Value Forecast 2027. If Quant, QNT, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived